Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I welcome all the viewers of School Leadership Academy, especially our school leaders who can make a big difference in our education system, who can be a key players in implementing new education policy. And today we are talking on winter tutorials and winter camps. And one of the goals of education is to break the shackles of underdevelopment, break the shackles of poverty, and our government of J&K, through Department of School Education, has taken an initiative of winter camps and winter tutorials. Today we have with us one of the dynamic officers of our department who runs the show behind the curtains. I welcome Dr. Ataul Muneem Taksab. He is a personal officer working in Directorate of School Education. He has worked in departments like revenue, employment, disaster management, and especially in the Department of Health, where he worked as a deputy CEO in State Health Agency. हमारे कश्मीर में एक स्कीम सेहत स्कीम नाम से जो हर घर में आजकल है और सर का इसमें एक अहम रोल है तो this year sir has taken the charge of personal officer school education department, and today we are talking on winter tutorials and winter camps. Sir, welcome to our School Leadership Academy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
At the outset, I want to we want to tell our viewers that what is this winter tutorials or winter camps?
Winter tutorials and winter camps this is a very special initiative by the Department of School Education. As far as winter tutorials are concerned, these are winter tuitions for students of class 8 to class 12. And as far as winter camps are concerned, they are activity based learning program for students of class 3rd to class 7.
That's great, sir. Especially in this COVID pandemic time, जो हमारी लर्निंग लॉस जो हमारे बच्चों में है उसको मिटिगेट करने के लिए डायरेक्टरेट और स्कूल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट ने इनिशिएटिव लिया है सर नेक्स्ट इज फ्री विंटर ट्यूटोरियल्स जो हम क्लास 8th 12th की बात करें इसमें इनिशिएटिव डिपार्टमेंट ने कब और कैसे स्टार्ट किया
As the viewers know that in the last 2 years we have considerable loss of instruction hours because of the pandemic, ensuing pandemic. Just to mitigate the loss of these instruction hours and to cater to the challenge that is the retention challenge because of long winter breaks, this idea was actually conceived and such initiatives were taken. This is one of the initiatives. The initiatives like online teaching, the initiatives like community classes have also been started in order to mitigate the learning loss of our student community. This was started way back in 2015-16, and now it has been more streamlined, it has been more regularized, and it has taken a shape of an institution now.
Yes, sir, that's great because we have also read from the leading newspapers that 2.5 lakh students have participated in this initiative. So we are happy that our school education department has taken care of the students who can't afford the modern day commercial coaching center.
Yes,
That's
I would like to inform the viewers that as far as winter camps are concerned, we have already established around 850 winter camps across Kashmir division, and we have also established around 400 winter tutorials across Kashmir division. And one of the most important aspect of this initiative is cross learning between students of private institutions and public institutions, because there is no bar for enrollment under these winter camps and tutorials. Students who are enrolled with private schools can also opt for this. So there is an option of cross learning between students of private and public institutions.
Yeah, that's a great on part of sir that he has shared that all the private school students can easily have access to these winter tutorials and winter camps. That's a good thing on part of the department. Sir, usually this is different from the formal schooling. तो इसमें मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो what is being taught in these tutorials or camps.
These are, yes, this is a very relevant question. These are not regular classes. These are remedial classes. These are reinforcement classes. Actually, when we talk about winter camps, at the start of this program, as we talk, we are evaluating the level of competence of students in these winter camps, so that we get to know the learning gaps. And once we end this program, we will also conclude a post and pre and post analysis of learning competencies, so that we get to know the impact of these initiatives. And this is different from normal, classroom activity. These are remedial classes. We try to bridge the gap that has, because of the pandemic, because of the loss of instruction hours, that has crept in the competencies of our students.
Yeah, that's great, sir. Now, because as you rightly said that we have 850 winter camps and 400 winter tutorials. Am I right, sir? And in this, what's the criteria? Like most of the school leaders or school heads हमसे कल कहेंगे कि हमारे स्कूल में क्यों नहीं है. तो what's the criteria of establishing this winter tutorials or winter camp?
As the viewers know that we usually have very harsh winter. When we talk about the selection of a winter tutorial or a winter camp, it has to be centrally located, it has to be accessible, and uh, it should be need based. A need based analysis is carried out by respective chief education officers and cluster heads, and they come to a conclusion that winter tutorial is required at a particular place after conducting the need analysis, and then we establish it. And then we should have a demand, and it should be centrally located, and it should be accessible.
Yeah, as sir rightly said that it's a need based. So anyone can apply for it, depends upon fixing the basic criteria, which is a requirement for establishing a winter camp or winter tutorials. सर नाउ बिकॉज जो हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, एजुकेशन प्रोसेस है, विंटर ट्यूटोरियल है, विंटर, इसमें जो रूह है वो है टीचर. सर मैं चाहता हूँ कि एनी कमेंट फॉर दोज टीचर्स और एनी सजेशन फॉर दोज टीचर्स who are working in these harsh conditions.
Uh, we are actually selecting the most eminent and most popular teachers for this initiative, because, as I told, it's not a regular classroom activity. It's a very special class, special remedial classes for students uh, which belong to both private and public institutions. So we are we select the best possible lot uh, from amongst our teaching community. So they are a dedicated lot. The results we had a number of selections in NEET, IIT, JEE, and other competitive exams. And those students who participated in these, winter tutorials, winter initiatives, they excelled in these examinations.
Yeah. So that's again a good. We can all the viewers can listen this carefully. That the department has initiative like Super 50 initiative, where we have a good number of selections in the NEET national level exams or JEE, JEE, and other competitive exams. So it's because of the initiatives taken by the department, especially the involvement of sir and the concerned staff. सर इसमें जो टीचर्स के लिए क्या इंसेंटिव है, बिकॉज मी आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट विंटर कैंप, मेरे लिए क्या इंसेंटिव है.
We have, if you talk of incentives, I consider that if we allow a teacher to learn continuously, that is the biggest incentive for a teacher. But besides that, we have also monetary incentives for teachers, because we know that teaching community belongs to a vocational service, and they are not entitled for leave salary once they retire, but there is a special provision for those teachers, those lecturers, those masters who are part of these winter initiatives, and we issue orders for their detention for these months, and these months actually then they go on to draw leave salary at this service.
And that's again a good incentive for our teachers who are working in these harsh conditions. But again, the conditions set by the directorate is in the ratio of 1 is to 45 for class 11th and 12th. Again, the ratio of 1 is to 35 for class 8th, and 1 is to 30 for class 3rd and 7th, where teacher has to work hard and our HOI has to work very hard. Sir, at the end, I want to thank you. What is the message for the parents or the stakeholders in this winter tutorials or winter camp? Especially जो parents, वो parent जो घर में चीजें बेच के फिर बच्चों को ट्यूशन सेंटर डाल देते हैं, लेकिन उनके लिए अब गवर्नमेंट ने एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी रखी है, उसके लिए क्या मैसेज है सर पेरेंट्स के लिए?
I take this opportunity to urge all parents, all stakeholders to make their wards enroll under these winter initiatives, because as I told that we have the best possible lot of teachers who are imparting these remedial classes to the students. So my request will be that maximum participation in these winter tutorials will encourage our teaching fraternity and will encourage us also to further strengthen these winter initiatives.
सर इसमें अब क्योंकि इट्स अ मास लेवल एज यू राइटली सेड दैट, मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो हमारे डिफरेंट डाइट्स हैं, डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एजुकेशन ट्रेनिंग, बीआरसी, सीआरसीज हैं, जिनका एक सुपरविजरी रोल है इसमें इन सुपरवाइजिंग द विंटर ट्यूटोरियल्स और विंटर कैंप, उसके लिए सर योर suggestion for those officials at diet level, at BRC level, at CRC level?
We consider people who are HODs and other senior officers of diet and master trainers as far as this teaching learning process is concerned. So their role will be to guide these teachers, masters and lecturers who are part of this for smooth and effective and efficient conduct of these winter tutorials. That will be their role.
So I once again thank our guests for the day who have elaborated in detail about the winter camps and winter tutorials, because we have to somehow mitigate the learning loss, which sir has rightly said that it's a special program for the pandemic की वजह से जो learning loss हुआ है उसको पूरा करने के लिए department has taken initiatives, and it has shown fruits in terms of selections in NEET, JEE and other competitive exams, and especially for the parents जो काफ़ी परेशान रहते थे घर की चीज़ें बेच के ट्यूशन सेंटर्स में अपने बच्चों को भेज देते, इसीलिए वी शुड बी थैंकफुल। और सर की जो मैसेज थी सारे पेरेंट्स के लिए, सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स के लिए, कि आप एज अ सिविल सोसाइटी इन विंटर ट्यूटोरियल्स में अपने बच्चों को भेजिए, और वहाँ पे यू हैव अ बिग रोल टू वार्ड एंड वॉच इन द फंक्शनिंग. Sir is always available for any complaint, any suggestion to improve the teacher learning process. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us. Thank you very much.